I made my own ultimate mystery bundle. Do I have a fish? And a slam, and for the slam. There we go. Welcome back to Fluke Fishing YouTube channel, and in today's video, I made my own ultimate mystery bundle, and we're gonna be attempting a slam. So let me show you guys what we got. Starting off, I got a Stealth Blade jackhammer in the spot remover color. Great. Some Exo sticks in candy grass. Great little stick bait. The Megabass Dark Sleeper in Matsugaru. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this one should catch fish. Next, moving up to some Googan baits, we've got the Saucy Swimmers and Pro Blue Red to go with that spot remover jackhammer. Got a rattle bot, just tie it on and catch some fish. Then the Viobug, probably one of my all-time favorite soft plastic lures. Now, let's get out to the pond and catch some big bass. Shouldn't be too hard to knock it out right in a day. Put my favorite baits in here. Starting off with that rattle bot. It's about perfect. Throwing on a Googan reaction rod. Second it hits the water, just reeling it. Yeah, making it easier to fish. Oh man, that is a huge stick. Do I have a fish? No, has to be just grass. That's actually a huge stick. Yeah. Gonna have to pick up that chatterbait. That was almost bad. I just almost hooked myself. Okay. Fishing for a little bit. Gonna grab these swim baits. There we go. Okay, chatterbait. They should just chomp this chatterbait. And if we don't get a bite here, I know a couple more spots. Well, oh, Do I have a fish? I think I have a fish. Let's go, chatterbait.
Second cast, back?
That was second cast with chatterbait. Second cast with chatterbait. Let's go. Let's go, boys. There we go, chatterbait. Chatterbait and the Saucy Swimmer. So we know they're out here. This isn't a bad fish. It's probably about a 1.5 pounder.
Do we want the scale?
Possibly. He's a nice fish. I mean, chatterbait never fails. That's 2 baits knocked out from the slam. We'll put him on the scale just to see. We'll try to get like the biggest of the day. It's definitely probably about a 1.3.
I guess, yeah, like a 1.34.
.28. So I guess the scales aren't too bad. We know they're over here now. That makes our job a lot easier. Let's get them back. You want to step on anything? Thank you, buddy. See you later. Let's go. Here we go. Jackhammer. I know I'm doing a slam, but I gotta take another cast. I think it is true the jackhammer is better than the original chatterbait. I actually stopped it. I just stopped reeling in. It was second cast with this jackhammer. What I might even do is put the Vile Bug on the back of this jackhammer. Yeah. If they really want the jackhammer, you can leave that out there.
What are you throwing now?
Trying to throw that rattle trap again. We've only been fishing for like 20 minutes and already have one. Yeah. Well, since that kicking, that's gonna make a lot of noise in the water. So the fish are just gonna not like it. Yeah. I'm just gonna try to kill it.
It's kind of funny how it works though. The fish are like, nah, actually, we don't want you here, so they just eat it.
Yeah. Dark sleeper might be the hardest bait. I just realized that.
You got the best one at mine.
Yeah. It's also usually really good here. That's a fish. Stay down. This might be a giant. Is he still on? No, it's a little guy. He's just fighting hard. Let's go. It's not a bad one. Oh, he's one treble. Let's go. Let's go. So we caught this guy. He's about the same size. Probably another 1.3. This guy might be a little bit bigger.
1.34.
1.4, 1.
I'm sitting on that guy.
Oh man, his mouth is glued shut from 2 trebles. Oh, he's bleeding up. There we go.
Seems pretty easy.
Here we go. It's the row traps done. Let's pop him on the scale. See, he might be the new biggest. I think he's the new biggest.
I agree. 1.34. 2 ounces bigger.
I think 1.5 or 1.36. There you go.
Dang.
1.16. So maybe he's a little bit skinnier.
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought he was the new biggest. I guess he's not. Rattle trap comes in clutch. Let's go. Let's release this dude. Better get Dom on some fish. I know he wants to catch some.
Yeah, it's his second fish in like 25 minutes.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Thank you, buddy.
That's what.
Woo! Let's do this. There we go. Not a bad one. He caught like a really big fish. Right in the top of the mouth. Hook set. Look at that fat little guy. It's not bad. This is actually definitely 100% the new biggest.
What are you guessing?
He's about a 1.5, 1.
I'm
Maybe 1.4. Actually, I'm going to go to 1.48.
That's gonna be my guess. 1.45. No, 1.47. I'm gonna go one below.
$1.46.
God,
We're
dude.
so close to on the dot.
All right.
When our guessing skills have been on, they've been on. Besides the second fish. Let's drop him back in. Let's get up by that fountain. Let's go, buddy. Thanks for playing. Try to find a spot where it's not too grassy to release it. But it looks like we're going to end up tossing
Backflip.
it down. Sorry for the wait, guys. Trying to make it where the fish survive.
Right here looks not that bad. At least you can toss him out a little bit.
Oh, there's the bluegill. You ready to chase some bait, buddy?
Go get him.
Go get him, champ. Woohoo! So, when you're filming a fishing video, usually you're supposed to start your GoPro. I decided for some reason not to restart my GoPro. And of course that cast, I hook into this little guy, Munch the Dark Sleeper. But can we just take a moment and admire that hook set? Right through the roof of the mouth. That's how you want to see it. Stop trying to swallow it, buddy. Oh, there we go. Little dude. I don't feel bad
Put
about
him on the scale. Put him on the scale.
Put him on the scale.
Yeah.
Today's new biggest. We're always catching them 10-pounders.
0.54.
0.48. This time we're actually a little bit further off from each other. Usually we're like 1 or 2 points.
I'm also guessing off of no knowledge, so you're feeling
Right in between.
Gosh.
1.5. So you're 1.54, I was 1.58. No, I was 1.38, right?
I said 0.54. I don't know.
Yeah, I said 0.58, I think. Don't feel bad about tossing this guy back.
Backflip.
Did you guys see that skip? Let's go! Exo stick, let's get it done! So we just learned from our mistakes, and I set up my GoPro before I switched to lures. So we're on and recording. Let's go, been a pretty good day. 4 fish. That was like, I was back-to-back casts, I think.
Yeah.
I was back-to-back casts. Can we get 3 in a row? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I landed right by it. Yeah. That's right in them. I'd let it pause for a couple seconds. Yeah, not real. You're down in there. Come on, stick! The Exo stick. That's all we need. I had a bite. That was my first bite of the day. We've already got 4. 4? Yeah, I think 4. Well, let's just count.
2 over there, 2 over here.
2 over there, 2 over here. Yep, 4. Got one on this first fish. Yep, you're getting bit. I'm getting bit. That's right. In there, like swim. We're in there like swimmer, boys. No, was that a fish? I don't think so. I definitely had a bite though. It was a big bite. Another bite.
What am I doing wrong? What was the thing you had the easiest time on?
Easiest was probably the dark sleeper over here. But like in total, the easiest was the lipless crankbait. Maybe actually this jackhammer. It didn't spend too much time for my first fish to be caught on this one. Actually, yeah, it was this one. Second cast with this one, I caught one.
Weren't we like 7 minutes in there?
Yeah. Yeah, but I wasn't using this one at the beginning.
Yeah. So you had it retied on?
Uh-huh. Where are you, fish? Guys, we're still at 40% battery.
On your second battery or your first battery?
I don't have a second one with this one. My-
Yeah, you just had the one.
There we go. Exo stick. On the stick. On the stick. And it's the slam. And the slam. And for the slam. Stay on. And for the slam.
Bro!
For the slam. Let's go, boys. Let's go. For the slam, boys. We just trailed, so let's recap what we did. We started with a nice little, the first strike was the jackhammer with the Saucy Swimmer trailer. Then we switched over to the Rattlebot. Rattlebot catches fish. Then over here, like first cast over here, jackhammer with the Vilebug trailer. There's a fish. Then
Right
next
after.
cast, dark sleeper fish. Now, finally, extra stick on the back of the jackhammer. Let's go. We got away the slam on the fish. Double checking, we caught a fish on everything, which we did.
1 point. What are you thinking?
Oh, he's pretty chubby. I thought he was a lot bigger.
What are you guessing?
1.49.
Mine's 1.52. Oh, 1.38.
1.38. Not as big as we thought. Let's move this guy back where we release the other one. Make sure he gets down there nice. Let's go. Can we just talk about how this day... I need to get you on a fish net.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
We've had fishing all day. 5 fish, and they've all been me.
None. I don't know what I'm doing, too. Casting in the right areas.
Okay, let's see. Are the bluegills still there? Yes, they are.
I can go get them.
You hungry, buddy? I know you are. Beautiful. Slam completed, boys. Finally. This is the original chatterbaits. This is almost like a comparison. Flip them up.
Yes.
Let's go.
Holy, that took so long.
There we go. You want to weigh them? That might be the biggest of the day.
God.
Hurt your nose?
No, my pole broke.
In half?
Yeah.
Oh.
I need to.
One four? Here we go. Bring this fish down.
Right here?
Yep, nice little one on the chatterbait. All the bluegill. He's gonna be eating good tonight. So I just hold on to his tail, let him swim. Right about there. There we go. Nice little fish. Thanks for tuning in to the Fluke Luke Fishing YouTube channel. We completed a slam. You guys are welcome. That took a lot of effort and hard work and dedication, and all of those things combined, blended together like a celebratory smoothie. It's fantastic. It feels great. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. I completed a slam for you guys. You have to subscribe.